Hi, we're here back to see the results of our experiment that we set up last week. It's been exactly a week, and as you can see, these are our 4 plants and they're all looking quite different. Last week they looked really similar. They were about the same height, had about the same amount of leaves, but now you can see, because of the different conditions that they've been in, they've all changed. Can you guess which one is which? This is the one that has had no light. Look what's happened to the leaves. They're all drooping. It's looking really sad and unhappy. So we know that plants need light to be healthy. Look at this one. It's had no water. Again, all the leaves are drying out, it's shriveling up, and we know that plants need water to be healthy. That's what this experiment is proving. This one is the one that didn't have very much warmth, and if you look at the leaves, they've gone a slightly funny colour. It doesn't like being too cold. We had some really cold nights, so I think the cold and the frost may have got to the leaves and they've made them go this horrible colour, and it's looking a bit sickly. It's not as bad as the other two, but it's not doing very well. So we know that plants need warmth. If we look at the last one, this is the control. It's got much taller, it's bigger, its leaves are much bigger, it's looking really healthy, and it's looking so healthy that actually I need to pot it into another pot and give it some more soil and more room to grow. So we know that plants need light, they need water, and they need warmth to be nice and healthy. Last week I also tried a little mini experiment. Put some foil over some leaves to see what would happen. I take it off, you can see there's not much change, and I found that with the other leaves, and the foil actually blew off the other one. It's got a little bit yellowy there on the end. I expected the leaf to go yellow, but it doesn't matter, it's an experiment, and sometimes experiments don't always go the way we expect. Here are some things that you could do to help with your learning. The first is you could divide a page into 4, and then you could draw the results that we've just observed. So that means draw each plant, so the one that had no warmth, the one that had no water, the one that had no light, and the control, and label each one and show really clearly the difference between them. The second is to add to the collage that you may have already started, or start a brand new one, and say what the parts of a plant do. So instead of just labelling the roots on this one, I've said roots take water to the plant. I've added extra information, so you could do that. You can do the quiz, which we've also sent the link to in all the other information. I hope you enjoy those quizzes. You can do a poster, so you could do a picture of a plant and then label all the things it needs, and you could put it in your window. You could do your own experiment, and again we've sent links for those and the information that you've already had. Have a look at the Learning Gallery clip that I put on last week, and you'll see examples of other people's work. If you send photos to us, we can add yours to the next Learning Gallery. Visit the school website, because that's all been updated and all the things we're sending you are going to be included on there, but there's also lots of other activities children can do. Continue to email photos of your work, because we love seeing what you're up to, and we will add them, as I say, either to the blog on the website or to a Learning Gallery clip. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Hope to see you soon. Take care, everybody.